GCME proudly presents Hamalia sweets from Skopelos.
Hi guys, γεια σας. Welcome back. I have a quiz for you. What can you make with only 3 ingredients which tastes absolutely amazing and you can offer it as a special treat on weddings, baptisms, anniversaries or any kind of special celebration you would like? The ingredients are almonds, just white almonds, powdered sugar and rose water. With these 3 ingredients you can make a special treat called Hamalia. Hamalia are an artisanal traditional treat that they make in Skopelos Island and they serve, as I said, in weddings, baptisms and other celebrations. So come close and let me show you how to make this wonderful treat. You will certainly enjoy them, I promise you.
Ingredients for 55 to 60 pieces. 900 grams, 2 pounds, 9 cups white almonds of good quality. 400 grams, 1 pound, 2.5 cups icing sugar plus approximately 160 grams, 5.6 ounces, 1 cup icing sugar for decoration. 200 to 250 ml, less than 1 cup rose water and some extra rose water to spray on top. This is a 2-version recipe where I initially prepared the traditional Hamalia but also experimented with making a softer dough by using more rose water. The preparation is the same, the taste is also the same, but the resulted texture is a bit different. These are the traditional Hamalia shaped like stars. These are the ones I made with softer dough shaped like small saucers or hats. Follow the same instructions for both versions by preparing the almonds first. Use a strong blender and blend the almonds well until they become a coarse powder. To ensure that you will blend all almonds, you need to blend them in batches. Place the almond powder in a large bowl. Continue with blending the rest of the almonds. After blending in 5 batches, the almond powder is ready. Making the Hamalia dough. Using a very deep bowl, place some of the almond powder, adding on top some of the icing sugar. Adding them gradually ensures better mixing of the 2 ingredients. Continue with a second layer of almond powder and a second layer of sugar. Mix them well, ensuring that you won't leave any lumps. Lastly, add a 3rd layer of almond powder and a 3rd layer of icing sugar. Mix them well once more. Start gradually pouring the rose water on top and blend it in. Here is the main difference between the 2 versions. For the first version of Hamalia, I used about 200 ml rose water, so the dough became firmer and sturdier, like they prepare them traditionally in Skopelos. For the second version, I used approximately 250 ml, 1 cup rose water, and got a softer dough. Shape the Hamalia. The preparation is not the same, either you choose the firm or the softer Hamalia. You will need 2 large oven trays lined with parchment paper. Brush them also with a bit of oil. Use disposable gloves to avoid cross-contamination. Brush your gloves also with a bit of oil so that the Hamalia won't stick on them when you shape them. Now for the firmer traditional Hamalia, you can either shape them like small pears or belts or kurabiedes, or use a cookie cutter and make little stars like I did. The photo shows only a few. Follow the recipe as it continues. For my softer Hamalia, the dough is now semi-soft and not really sticky. Take a small piece of dough the size of walnut and shape it like a small ball, bell, pear, star, or hat, like I did. All Hamalia should be about the same size and shape to bake equally. First tray is filled and ready for the oven. Baking instructions. For both versions, bake the first tray with Hamalia in a preheated oven fan at 160 degrees centigrade, 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes only. In the meantime, prepare the second tray. Correct any bad-shaped cookies. After about 15 minutes, the first batch of Hamalia is ready. Hamalia should still be white. With the second version, Hamalia come out puffier than the firm traditional ones. Place them on a rack. Now place the second tray in the oven. While first tray's baked Hamalia are still warm, drizzle some more rose water on top. Let them cool down completely. Decoration time. When Hamalia have cooled down completely, bring a bowl with 1 cup icing sugar next to them. Remove the parchment paper with Hamalia from the tray and place on the clean surface where you will add the icing sugar. Peel them off the parchment paper using a knife. Dust Hamalia one by one with icing sugar and place them on a platter. Remove the second tray with baked Hamalia from the oven and place them on a rack. Drizzle them with some more rose water on top as well. Sprinkle some more icing sugar on top of the first batch of Hamalia. Repeat with decorating the second batch of Hamalia. Dust them with icing sugar as well and place them on top of the first batch to make a small mountain. To finish them off, sprinkle some more icing sugar on top. Our Hamalia are ready. Serving suggestion. This photo shows my firmer traditional Hamalia decorated for a wedding party. The wedding had an island theme, hence the seashells. Here are some of my firm Hamalia. Traditionally in Skopelos, the silver tray used in the Greek Orthodox Church includes holy wine and 1 glass, Stephano crowns, veres, wedding rings in their box, plus honey and walnuts given to the newlyweds, representing a sweet, reproductive life. In the tray there are also small kufeta, white sugar-coated almonds, placed together with rice and white flower petals. All these represent a sweet life with good roots for the couple and a blessed, blossoming, thriving life together. These are the guest favors given outside the church after the religious ceremony called bumbuniera. They also contain small kufeta, white sugar-coated almonds. And this is the result of my experimentation, some of my amazing, softer and beautifully white bridal Hamalia decorated in platter, hand-painted in Skopelos, ready to be offered to guests at another wedding party. Χαμαλιά are decorated next to a champagne bottle and the guest favors, bombonières. The table is also decorated with a bridal bouquet. The softer Hamalia are fluffier and more chewy in texture. The taste is exactly the same on both versions of the recipe. And here's my decorated basket. Whatever version you choose, you're in for a treat. Enjoy them! Here I am with my Hamalia basket. Exquisite Hamalia. Shopping list for 55 to 60 Hamalia. Hamalia are suitable for vegans, fasting, lactose-free, and gluten-free. Greece tourist info. These photos show the exquisite Hamalia shapes that are prepared in Skopelos Island for weddings and baptisms. Skopelos has many almond trees, hence a great production and good variety of almonds. It's beautiful Skopelos with its unique traditions.
So now that my Hamalia are ready, I need to try one to see how it tastes. Here it is. These are such delightful treats. You should definitely try to make them. Only 3 ingredients, guys, and then you have a wonderful treat for any celebration you choose. I hope you enjoyed my recipe, and I hope to see you again soon.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Greek Cooking Made Easy. If you want to read more about Greek wedding traditions, check my Hamalia recipe on my website, link on description. Like my Facebook page or follow me on Pinterest and Instagram.